Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3, and the material that we're gonna present is the role of knowledge management infrastructure in enhancing job satisfaction. The group member of Group 3 is consists of me, myself, Rahmatur Rahman Haris, Ariel, Fahrepi, Nazara, Adelaisa, and Angelica. Okay, we're moving on to the introduction of job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is crucial for university staff performance. This study looks at how knowledge management through technology, structure, and culture affects job satisfaction among academic staff in Jordan, aiming to help improve satisfaction and performance.
So first, the background is the job satisfaction in the universities. So academic staff face complex work environments, balancing teaching, research, and student support, and also their job satisfaction affects the performance and the organizational success. The knowledge management of these universities as knowledge-based institutions should prioritize knowledge management to enhance performance, but however, the impact of knowledge management infrastructures or job satisfaction has not been widely studied in education settings. The gap in this research. While the job satisfaction in education has been explored, few studies consider knowledge management infrastructure as a factor influencing staff satisfaction. Of knowledge management. So there are four main components. The first one is technology utilization. So the use of technological tools that facilitate group learning, knowledge management sharing, and collaboration across different locations, enhancing the ability to access and distribute information. Second one is the knowledge retrieval system and platform that allow employees to easily access and utilize relevant knowledge, improving efficiency and decision making within the organization. The third is support for knowledge workers, providing resource, training, and organizational support to academic and other knowledge workers to enhance their job satisfaction and foster a productive work environment. And the last component is the knowledge mapping. So the techniques and tools that are used to identify, locate, and organize specific knowledge within the organization, ensuring the critical information is easily accessible by all parties.
Next is key funding. The first one is technological knowledge management infrastructure. The significant positive impact on job satisfaction when universities invest in technology that facilitate knowledge sharing and improve access to information. Staff feel more satisfied with their work. And then the second one is cultural knowledge management infrastructure. The organizational culture has a strong positive effect on job satisfaction. A culture that supports collaboration, trust, and knowledge sharing makes employees feel more engaged and valued. And then next is structural knowledge management infrastructure. The supportive structure is important. The study found that merely changing organizational policies or structures doesn't directly improve job satisfaction without the right technology and culture in place. And then gender differences. There are significant differences in how men and women perceive the impact of knowledge management infrastructure on job satisfaction. And the gender plays a role in how employees experience their work environment and the benefits of knowledge management infrastructure. The last one is demographic factor for age, experience, and academic rank. Unlike some studies that show job satisfaction varying by this factor, this research found that knowledge management infrastructure positively affects job satisfaction universally, regardless of this demographic characteristic. Factor affecting job satisfaction. The first one is supervisory support. Respect and guidance from supervisors significantly contribute to job satisfaction, and as academic staff feel valued and supported. The second one is personal growth. Opportunities for personal development that career advance growth and job satisfaction, as staff feel motivated and accomplished in their roles. And next is work environment. A positive, supportive work environment where collaboration and mutual respect are encouraged, improve employees' perception of their job roles and satisfaction levels. And the last one is organizational culture. The alignment of the organizational culture with employee values play a crucial role in job satisfaction. fostering a sense of belonging and commitment among staff.
And next slide, we have implication for university from that summary. First, we have invest in technology, means universities should upgrade and invest in technology that facilitate efficient knowledge sharing and collaboration. This will ensure job satisfaction by making tasks easier and promoting effective communication. Second is foster supportive culture. It's been important to create a culture that encourages collaboration, trust, and open communication. A supportive and cooperative culture boosts academic staff satisfaction and productivity. And for third is focus on rewards. It means structural change that include clear incentive and recognition for academic staff can improve satisfaction. And offering rewards for performance and knowledge sharing helps in retaining skilled employees and fostering engagement. Next slide is a limitation from that paper or summary. The research only focus on academic staff in a developing country context, which may not reflect the experience of staff in other regions or industry. First, focus on one university with mostly male participation. The study was conducted at Zarqa University and most of the respondents were male. So the result may not apply to other university or reflect the experience of women in academia. And next, for a snapshot in time, since the study is cross-sectional, it only shows a snapshot of data at one point in time and doesn't reveal long-term effects of KM infrastructure on job satisfaction.
Future research ideas. The first, test in other university and sector. Future studies should try the same model in different university or industry to see if the findings apply in other contexts. The second, include all staff roles, including both academic and administrative staff, would give a fuller picture of how KM infrastructure affect job satisfaction for different types. The last one, long-term studies, research that looks over a longer period will give better insight into how KM infrastructure impact job satisfaction over time. Explore the role of organizational culture. Future research could focus on how different cultural factors like leadership style and communication affect how well KM infrastructure works and how satisfied staff are in various.
Next slide is conclusion and suggestion that the research show that KM infrastructure, especially technology and culture, boosts job satisfaction among academic staff through improved knowledge sharing and collaboration. However, organizational structure alone had little impact, and gender differences highlight the need for tailored approaches. There are 3 points. The first is invest in technology, that enhancing IT system for knowledge sharing and collaboration is crucial for improving staff satisfaction. The second is foster supportive culture. Building a collaborative culture promotes open communication, which is essential for job satisfaction. And the last is address gender differences, that tailoring HR policies to address gender-specific needs ensure a more inclusive environment. So that's all our presentation, and there are some references. Thank you.